If I try, spend some time with you to make it happy, would you feel better? And if I could, with you I would be forever, forever in love. So making love through the night, we could hold each other tight. So my dog chewed up my eyebrow pencil, so today we're going to be using an e.l.f. eyeliner to do our eyebrows. Our e.l.f. primer. Same products, different day. Pop it on my finger. I'm still working on getting the lighting right for my videos, so let's not talk about it. Same product, different day. When I do lighter coverage foundation, I tend to pat it. Different day, same technique, same products. That's simple. Sit for like 3 minutes and we'll be back. We high five in the air. High five. I think we're safe to blend it. Let's see. I don't wear concealer a lot. I just started wearing it again recently, so I'm not the best at applying it. So give me some tips. It's crazy because I've done my makeup all my life, but I stopped doing concealer for like 3 or 4 years, so I'm just getting into it again, and I'm kind of like struggling a little bit. So please give me tips. Now I take this side and I'm gonna go in the darkest color. I'm gonna chisel my nose out. I see, we're gonna chisel it. So with a darker shade and just apply that on the outers. I want to leave it like this. So I'm just gonna go in with like this color. It's like a really light brown, and go over the lid. It's barely even noticeable for real. I'm going to use the same thing that I used on my eyebrows just to show you guys how versatile a brown eyeliner can be. It does not have to just be for your eyes. So, but before I use it on my mouth, I'm gonna use it on my eyes. Now I'm gonna use the same brown liner on my lips just because I want to show you guys how versatile a brown liner is, like for real. apply a random lip gloss on top of it. This is just something that was gifted to me for my birthday, so it's just like a brown lip gloss. I already know, same products, different day. If you like a little blush like me, this is gonna be your best friend. Not this, but the next blush is gonna be your best friend. Then we flip it to the other side and we blend some more. Finish with our highlight. I just do white in my inner corners. Whatever's left, I just put it over my brows. Extra appealing. Not bright enough for me. These are the lashes that I'm gonna use. Extremely natural looking. These are the ones that I'm using today. We're back. I did some small liner, and now we're just gonna put these tiny lashes on. Tiny baby lashes. And just a little bit of mascara so that it blends. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe.